Hello YouTube, my name is Ed. Today I'd like to kick off a new series that I call Simple Parts for CNC. The premise is you send me a sketch or design of a simple part that you need machined. I will walk through the steps of machining that part, starting with converting the drawing or sketch into a 3D model, programming that part using Fusion 360, setting up the milling machine, machining the part, and inspecting the part. So since this is the first episode, I do not have a viewer supplied sketch, but what I do have is a sketch from my neighbor across the street. He needs a part. Okay. So as far as I can tell, it is an adapter plate for a gas, two-stroke gas engine. So we'll go ahead and get started now. This is an aluminum part. It's a simple part. He only needs one, and he supplied me with a sketch, and I'll show that here. Okay, so this sketch shows that we have a 4-inch by 4-inch aluminum plate. It is 3/8 of an inch thick. It has 1-inch hole in the middle. The hole is right in the middle, so it's 2 inches over and 2 inches down. Right? And there is 4 bolt holes in each corner. He's using 1/4 bolts, so we're going to make these holes 257 thousandths in diameter. And we know that each one of these holes is 1 5/8 from the center in X and 1 5/8 from the center hole in Z. Okay. Now there's a couple of ways to pattern this part. I'm going to show you one way. I like this way. Works well for me. And that is mirroring these holes. So we select the mirror feature and mirror it about that line, and then we're going to these two and mirror it. Select these two and mirror it there. Okay, so there's our part, basic part. Now we need to extrude it out. 375 thousandths is what he needed. 3/8 of an inch. Okay. Now in this part, there's some holes that are drilled and tapped for a 1/4. So we are going to start by sketching some points. And then we will tell Fusion to make those points drilled and tapped holes. Now that's 1 inch and 3/8 from the center. Now here's a different way of patterning this part. There's 3 of them, equally spaced 120 degrees apart. We're going to go to circular pattern. We're going to select this object. We're going to select this circle as our center point, and see it puts the 3 points in there for us. Okay. So we have our 3 points, and now we're going to tell Fusion that they are threaded holes. Okay. So we're going to tell Fusion that they are 1/4 inch and they are 1/4, and they are through all. And there's our holes. Okay. Now that is our part. We'll kind of dress it up a little bit here. Get these sharp corners off. Be easy for us to do while machining. And I think it makes the part look better. during machining, we will chamfer the part, break all the sharp edges around, but I'm not going to model those chamfers. Historically, that has caused me some problems in the past. So there's our part. So this concludes episode 1 of our series, lawnmower adapter plate or engine adapter plate. Episode 1, 3D modeling. So if you like this video and you want to see more, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It'll really help me out a lot. If you have a part or parts that you would like to see machined and walk through the machining process with me, then go ahead and put a note in the comments and we can discuss your part. For that, I say thank you very much and welcome to the shop.